You think you're going to win, Pearly? Hey? What's wrong, Pan? Why don't you get involved? Oh, look at this. Checking out the cell phone.
Why are you videotaping?
I'm videotaping the dogs wrestling and stuff. And there's my little baby right there, Seepin. Hey! Hey! These two are just crazy.
Videotape yourself.
I'm doing the puppies, not you. Piper! Go to the paper if you gotta pee. These two are nuts. Look at this. Get her, Popeye. Get her, Popeye.
Ow.
Oh, Pearl's thirsty.
Ow.
Watch the little puppies there, Rugrat. I don't know where
What?
where little Pickles went.
Behind Brandy.
Oh, little Pickles is behind Brandy sleeping?
They love
Through all of this?
No.
Oh, there's Pickles.
Feeling your butt.
No, I'm sitting back there, so just 3 puppies left, 2 are gone already. So many dogs in this house, I'm telling you. And there's the bald-headed thing eating.
Oh.
Look at that. Bald. Bald.
You take the stupidest videos. You're really bald.
I'm going to drink another 2-liter Pepsi. That's attractive. Can't wait to show all your friends that. Look at this one eating. He even slaps on his chin. Look at it. Look at it. It's all down your fucking chin, man.
Oh, you have to videotape that?
Yeah, she does. That's where she is.
Yeah. You guys are all nuts. Look at this.
And